Welcome to How to Apply and Register through DualEnroll.com. To start the registration process, you will need to navigate to the Boise State Concurrent Enrollment portal at boisestate.dualenroll.com. If you have previously registered with Boise State, you can enter your login and password to go directly to the registration page. If you forgot your login information, click on the Forgot Your Username or Password link and follow the prompts. If you previously created a DualEnroll account to register for courses with either the College of Western Idaho or the College of Southern Idaho, you can use the same username and password to log into Boise State's website. Brand new students will click on the Create My Account link on the right. This will take you to the account creation page. Here you will fill in each asterisked item. Your login can be anything you want, such as an email address or a username you use for another site. It is important to make sure it is something you will remember. The preferred method of contact is how the site will update you through the process regarding your registration status. The cell phone number is the default method. However, if you prefer email, you can change it by clicking the I prefer not to provide a cell phone box. This will make the email address the required field. If using your email address, we suggest you use a personal email rather than your school email address. Click the I am not a robot link and then the Create Account button to complete the account creation step. Once you create your account, you will receive a notification to your preferred method of contact. You will then need to open the text or email message and click on the link to confirm your account. This step must be done to continue on to the Boise State application. If you do not receive the notification within a minute or two, please reach out to our office for assistance. Once you confirm your account, you will be taken to the application. There are several steps to complete this application. The first step will ask you to provide basic demographic information. You will enter your mailing address, graduation year, etc. You'll notice the Social Security field does not have an asterisk by it, meaning it is not required. Once you complete all required fields, you will click the Update button at the bottom of the screen. A box will pop up to confirm your name and address. Click OK. This will take you to Step 2. Here you will indicate your citizenship status. Please select the appropriate options from the drop-down menus. The additional questions about ethnicity are optional. Click Update to move on to Step 3. This step is for a privacy release. As a Boise State student, we are legally required to protect your information. If you would like someone other than you to have access to your Boise State information or to ask questions on your behalf, generally a parent or guardian, you can enter their information during this step. We recommend students complete this step, but it is optional. Once you have completed this page, again, click Update to move on to Step 4. Step 4 is the terms and conditions for enrolling in a course with us. Please make sure to read each entry. Once you have thoroughly read the items, click the I have read and agree with the conditions box at the bottom left, followed by the Update button. Step 5 is the parent or guardian consent. If you are 18 or older, this step will be skipped. For students under the age of 18, you will enter your parent or guardian's name and how you would like us to contact them. If you select email and/or text, you will need to enter their email address and/or their phone number. These are the easiest consent options to complete. Once you register for a course, your parent will receive an email or text to provide their consent. If you select Upload Scanned Consent, you will need to print the form and have it signed and then either upload it to your DualEnroll account or mail it to our office. Once you enter your parent's information and method of consent, click the Update button. For the final step, you will confirm the name of your high school and then select the year in which you will graduate. Click Update one final time. This completes the application and will now take you to the course registration page. Now you will select the course or courses in which you will register. From the course registration page, find the name of the course that you are taking. These are listed alphabetically by the course code in the first column. You can either scroll through the list and find your course, or use the keyword search at the top left of your screen. For instance, if you are taking German 101, you can scroll down to the Germ 101 course to find it, using the Next Page feature if needed, or enter German in the keyword search, and it will bring up the options with that heading. Once you have found your course, click on the hyperlinked name, Elementary German 1 in this example. This will bring up the list of schools and instructors where this course is being taught. Find your correct high school and instructor name and click the Register button on the right-hand side. After clicking Register, you will be brought to the status page. You will now see a row that says Tasks for the term. When the box on the right-hand side is orange, this means you have something you need to complete. Click on the link for Student Provide GPA. Here you will type in your cumulative unweighted GPA and click the Complete step. Each semester, you will need to provide us with your current cumulative unweighted GPA. Once entered, you will then be brought back to the status page. A pop-up will appear where you can click Select Another Course, View Status, or Log Out. If you are registering for more than one course at your school, you can choose Select Another Course and start the process over. You can also click on the Courses tab from your status page. If you click the View Status link, it will leave you on the status page where you can see the parent consent requirement. If you chose the Upload Scanned Consent option, you will see it says Student Upload Scanned Consent. Click on the link to access the form to print and have your parent or guardian sign. You can then scan and upload the form to the same page, or just mail it into our office. If you would like to change the method of consent to email or text instead, you can click on the Change link and input your parent or guardian's email address or phone number. They will then receive notification to complete the consent. Once all these steps are complete, you will be registered for your course with Boise State. Within 24 to 48 hours, you should receive an email confirming your registration and containing your Boise State student ID number and username. If you have any questions or problems, please reach out to our office at concurrentenrollment@boisestate.edu or 208-426-3750.